Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen about the eukaryotic and prokaryotic organism and differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic organism. Today, we will have to discuss about the cytoplasm. Before discussing about the cytoplasm, we will discuss about the protoplasm. Students, we have studied that protoplasm is the basis of life and it is discovered by Purkinje. All living organisms of the cell bounded by plasma membrane is called protoplasm, which is a jelly-like, colloidal and semi-permeable substances. Students, this protoplasm is divided into two parts. One is cytoplasm and another is nucleoplasm. We have discussed about the nucleoplasm when we discuss about the nucleus. Nucleoplasm is also a gel-like substance that is present inside the nucleus. Then we have to discuss about the cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is also a fluid-like substance, colloidal substance that is present in the cell. I have mentioned here the cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane which contain many specialized cell organelles. If you will see the structure of cell in electron microscope, then it can be seen very easily, or you can see by performing the activity by taking the onion pill or human chick cell. When we will stain the human chick cell or onion pill by temporary mounting of the pill into saffron solution, iodine solution or methyl blue orange, we will find that inside the cell there is a space which have taken very little space. That space which have stained very little, which have taken very little stain is known as the cytoplasm. Why it has taken very little stain? The reason is that it is the fluid part. It is the fluid part, and when it is fluid part, then it will take very little stain. Then this is the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, there are many membrane bound structure or non-membranous structure which is known as cell organelles. Cell organelles. In Hindi we can say it कोशिकांग, कोशिकाओं के अंग. हम कह सकते हैं कोशिका का अंग. Then what can you say about the cell organelles? Students, cytoplasm contain many cell organelles and each type of cell organelles has a characteristics shape and it's specialized for a specific function. In the cell, there are many type of cell organelles. That cell organelles are specialized for the special function. What are the specialized cell organelles? We will discuss one by one. Before this, we should have to know something. Students, in these days, this coronavirus has caused a very serious condition. It is a virus. Now we know slightly about the virus, students. What is virus? Virus is a living or non-living thing. When it is inside the body of any organism, it acts as a living being. When it is out of the living body, then it is act as non-living being. The reason is that virus do not have any type of membrane bound structure like the living beings. We have discussed that all living beings have membrane bound structure, but virus do not have any type of membrane bound structure. It adopts the machinery of any living beings on which it is surviving. This is the reason that it is difficult to prepare the medicine, or it is very difficult to overcome by using the medicine. When in case of viral infection, when we will take the medicine, then our machinery will also affect. This is the reason in case of viral, the antibiotic medicines are not very effective. There should be proper precaution. Now we will see about the cell organelles. There are different cell organelles in our body like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, plastid, vacuoles, lysosome, ribosome, centriole, and etc. These membrane bound structure are categorized into three categories on the basis of presence of membrane bound structures. I have mentioned here there is double membrane bound structure. Double membrane bound structure, this is the first one. Single membrane bound structure organelles and non-membranous organelles. One by one we will discuss. Double membrane bound organelles are those organelles which is bounded by double membrane, and these are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, plastid, and vacuoles. These are the cell organelles which are bounded by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. One by one we will discuss about all these things. There is a cell organelle in the cell that is single membrane bound structure, and it is lysosome. We will study about the lysosome. It is very important. It is the disposal bag option. We will discuss about lysosome in further. With these cell organelles, there are some cell organelles which is not bounded by any membrane bound structure, and these are the ribosomes and centrosomes. Ribosomes and centrosomes. Students, this centrosome is not given in your syllabus, but we will discuss because in senior classes in class 10th and 11th you have to know about the centrosome. It is also a cell organelle which is very essential during the cell division. Students, these are the topics which we have studied today. In further topics, further videos, we will discuss about these different type of cell organelles, their structure and function. Okay, thanks.